How to avoid probate in New Jersey. Probate can be a slow, costly, and public process that many families would prefer to avoid. In New Jersey, there are several legal strategies individuals can use to keep their estates out of probate court. These methods not only help minimize time and expense but also preserve privacy and reduce the chance of family disputes. If you're planning for the future and want your assets passed on smoothly, understanding how to avoid probate can make a significant difference. The law around probate in New Jersey. In New Jersey, the probate process is overseen by the surrogate's court in the county where the decedent lived. When someone dies with a will, the named executor must apply for probate. If there is no will, the court appoints an administrator. The legal duties include validating the will, notifying heirs and creditors, managing assets, paying debts and taxes, and distributing the estate. For small estates, New Jersey offers a simplified procedure, which can avoid full probate if the estate value is below certain thresholds and there's no will. The legal framework also allows non-probate transfers through trusts, joint ownership with survivorship rights, and payable on death accounts. How to avoid probate in New Jersey. There are multiple ways to legally bypass the probate process. One of the most effective is setting up a revocable living trust. Assets placed in a trust can pass directly to beneficiaries upon death without court involvement. Joint ownership with rights of survivorship ensures property transfers automatically to the surviving owner. Payable on death and transfer on death accounts allow direct designation of beneficiaries, avoiding probate altogether. Naming beneficiaries on retirement accounts and life insurance policies also ensures they pass outside probate. Lifetime gifts, within IRS limits, reduce the size of an estate and can further prevent probate complications. Property outside New Jersey can be shielded from ancillary probate by placing it into a trust or other ownership entity. These strategies help families save time, preserve privacy, and avoid the legal complexities of probate court. What is probate and how the process works? Probate is the court-supervised process of settling a deceased person's estate. It begins when the executor or administrator files a probate application, the death certificate, and the will, if one exists. Once approved, the court grants legal authority to manage the estate. This includes gathering assets, notifying creditors and beneficiaries, paying debts and taxes, and distributing the remaining property. The process can take from 9 months to several years, depending on the estate's complexity. Costs include court fees, attorney fees, and other administrative expenses, which reduce the value passed on to beneficiaries. Probate is public, meaning anyone can access the estate's details, and disputes can delay the process. New Jersey's small estate procedure offers a streamlined alternative for qualifying estates, but for many, avoiding probate altogether through proactive planning is preferable. To protect your assets and help your family avoid the burdens of probate, consult with an experienced attorney. The Matus Law Group can help you create a plan that avoids unnecessary court proceedings and ensures your wishes are honored. Speak to a lawyer today by calling 732-785-4453 or visit their office at 125 Half Mile Road, number 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey, 07701. Let this law firm guide you through every step.